Hi, I'm Karina, and I am a mom on a mission to get my life back while bettering my life through my fitness, wellness, and health journey. So if you'd like some tips, tricks, fitness motivation, and healthy eating habits, follow along because that's what today's video is all about. Let's get to it. Hi, everybody. Today is Monday. It is week 8 and things are feeling great. As you can see, I've found a new background for all of my videos. Now that I'm coming back to Bikram yoga, I feel like the background of the marina really doesn't hurt. So it's going great. As I told you guys last week, I am training for a Spartan and I have reincorporated Bikram yoga, which if you don't know what that it is hot yoga. So it's like doing yoga in a sauna. So you just sweat and it's disgusting, but it's the best workout I've ever had in my life. If you are new here, welcome. I'm happy to have you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are back for you a couple of days a week with tips, tricks, fitness, and healthy eating habits, as well as everything that comes along with it. And if you're not new, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. We're going to go through some new things and we are going to have some great new workouts because we have some new equipment. I hope you guys have a great week and you are motivated. Let's go. Hey guys, it is the middle of the week, and as you know, I love to come to you guys with a tip or a trick or something that is working for me in my journey and that is working, and hoping that it might work for you and it might motivate you and it might maybe even instill some changes. So last week we talked about non-scale victories and I'm going to talk about it again. So one of my favorite ways, as we talked about last week, to measure non-scale victories is to take pictures, because if you're taking pictures, you will see the difference in the pictures, even if the scale isn't always trying to be your best friend, which we all know that it's not, right? So the other thing that I love to do, yes, this is a measuring tape. I like to measure my body. I like to take measurements of the parts of my body that typically are a good place to measure even like body fat percentage and things like that, even though I don't go into that much detail just yet because I don't really have the knowledge and the know-how to use the right tools for that. But as far as inches, to go along with my pictures and to know what those changes are, I like to take measurements. So I've had this, I've had this thing forever because I'm a crafter and I like to sew. And so I've had this thing forever, and it's always a really nice way to measure because obviously it's fluid, it's easy to wrap around. And obviously, ideally you would like someone else to take these measurements. I'm going to be uploading another video probably in about a week or two showing you how my husband does it for me, because obviously you want to be able to stand straight, you want to stand strong, you don't want to have to be trying to measure yourself as you're going. So if you can find someone to do this for you, I would highly recommend that. But if not, I'm sure you can make it work at home, because we are bad, right? We make things happen. So that is my tip for the week. If you don't already, try to take the time to get a measuring tape and take your measurements, so that as you're in your journey, you can measure things on your body like your upper thigh, your inner thigh, your waist, your this, your that, and you can see the difference and you can see the shrinking happening even by the numbers on paper, especially if you're a visual person. And if that scale is not moving, but then you can write down, you lost a quarter of an inch, you lost a half an inch, I guarantee it will motivate you. And that is what we're here for. We're here to motivate. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a great week. We're going to finish strong. We're doing amazing things. We're doing yoga, we're running, we're working out, we're bike riding because the weather is allowing it. And we're going to finish the week strong. I can't wait to see you guys through the rest of the week. And you know, we'll be back on Monday. So we will see you soon. And don't forget to come back and watch for the video where I show you exactly how and exactly what we measure. So no shame here. All right, let's do it, guys. Hey guys, it's Saturday. It's the end of the week. It's been an amazing week. This week's video was a little bit shorter on workouts, and my apologies, but I filmed most of my workouts at home. Well, all of my works at home, but I filled my week of workouts with mostly hot yoga this week. So it's been a little bit crazy and wasn't able to do as much at home. And all three of the kids were sick this week. So it kind of slowed me down, but it's Saturday. We have decided to come out. The kids are at the park. It's gorgeous outside. Now that the weather here in Southern California is playing along, we are outside as much as possible. So I love you guys. Thank you for joining us this week. I hope you enjoyed the workouts and our tip. Make sure to come back so that you can watch exactly how we do our measurements. It's going to be its own separate video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys on Monday.